Hello and welcome to the channel. Now something a little bit different today for 8 Arm Adventures. Not our usual travel video, but something that is probably just as much fun. Recently we sold our large boat. We had a big 8.5 metre 4-winds. Great boat, we loved it. It was just way too big and we weren't using it as much as what we should for something that costs so much money. So we decided to downsize, not into something less fun, maybe more fun, and that's a couple of jet skis. So we got ourselves a couple of these Explorer Pros from Sea-Doo. They're absolutely spectacular. Stay tuned and we'll tell you all about it.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. 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 We are all looking for adventure.
So we've never owned jet skis before. We've been on a couple of jet ski tours with Fraser Coast Jet Skis. We absolutely loved it. And when we were downsizing from the boat, we wanted something that we could still have adventures over at Gari. We love whale watching. We loved staying out overnight. And so these Explorer Pros give us the benefit of being able to get to places quickly, but also being able to carry a whole lot of gear. Now the other interesting thing about these Explorer Pros, they're the only jet ski that comes with a windscreen. We were out all day yesterday from about 6 o'clock in the morning till 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We definitely benefited from having these. We weren't blown away. We did a lot of Ks yesterday. So far super impressed, and we didn't get too hot at all. They were great. One of the main reasons we went with the Explorer Pro is its ability to carry a large amount of gear. They actually market these as adventure skis. They come with the extended platform on the back of the ski, as well as the link platform, full of these link attachments. Now the deal that we got with these, we got a range of extra accessories for free. So over here I've got them set up on the shelf. 10 kilo, 20 kilo storage boxes. We've got the small esky, 20 litre jerry can. We also got ourselves one of the big 50 litre fishing eskies. Now I've been buying a whole pile of camping gear. Hopefully you'll get to see us having some adventures over at Gari and using some of that gear in the coming months. So these Explorer Pros do come with the Echo Map 7-inch touchscreen Garmin. Great little unit for your navigation and also your depth sounding. Unfortunately, the depth sounder on one of them isn't working. I think it may actually be missing fluid. Apparently you have coolant underneath the transducer. Anyhow, we'll get that fixed next week. The other thing that I'll point out is that we did go with the 170 naturally aspirated engines. We didn't go with the supercharged 230, and that was really for economy. Doing a bit of homework, I really appreciated Adam's Sword. Got a great YouTube channel. Check it out if you get a chance. Lots of information and reviews on these Explorer Pros. So this channel is all about documenting our adventures. It's about getting away from the everyday. And yesterday we had our first big full day adventure on the skis. It was over at Gari and it was amazing. We actually almost got squashed by a humpback. So if you want to see a little bit of that, keep watching. Here it comes. So we're here at Pelican Banks, out on the Explorer Pros with the wife and the daughter. They've just found a starfish. They're quite excited. So not quite an 8 Arm adventure, but how many's he got?
5.
5.
Yeah. And I rescued him.
Anyhow, pretty happy. We've got our Cooper's anchor in, trying it for the first time. I don't know if you can see this, but it works pretty well. And just attach the 2 jet skis together. seems to work. Anyway, another cool thing that I've got that we're trying out today is a selfie stick holder. So this here is for our Insta. I had my friend Bazza, he printed that up for us. So it fits into one of the rod holder fittings. Actually has a screw in the bottom. Don't know if you can see that, I might take another shot of it later, which actually holds the selfie stick in, so it's not going to fall off. I'm not too sure on the quality of the plastic, so I have put on a tether as well. So this blue cable, kind of tied on, just as a backup until I know everything's kind of pretty safe. But anyway, we'll hopefully get the Insta360 and be using that today as well. Anyhow, we're about to head up to Watumba. We've had a few other jet skis stop in and say g'day. So we're going to head up there shortly and then maybe back down to Kingfisher for lunch. So stay tuned.
Let's make it stay. Feel the round like a shot of adrenaline. Freedom calls, let the adventure begin. We're breaking free, racing through the blue. With the wind in our face, we're living for the view. Chasing sunsets, leaving worries far away. On the way, on the water, we'll escape the everyday. Sunlight glimmers, colors paint the sea. Every splash a heartbeat, just you and me. No more 9 to 5, let the world fade. This is
Being the end of the whale watching season, we were a little bit surprised to see so many and see just how active these whales were. We'd been sitting with our engines off watching this pair when they started to head lunge. Head lunging is a behaviour supposedly whereby they try to shake off barnacles and things that might be stuck to their chin. We'd started a good 300 metres away from this pair, which is the regulation when you're looking at a mother and a calf, and we started to get a little bit worried as they started to turn and head towards us. Now you'll see in a moment as I was recording on my phone, I hesitated. I stopped recording and for a moment thought about starting up and trying to move away, but trying to do that, let Sharon and Maddie know they needed to get out of the way too. It was all a little bit too quick. Fortunately, this fairly inquisitive mother didn't hit the ski, but it was a very, very close encounter. Now I'd actually turned the music on the ski, and some people have said to me that can actually attract the whales. Not too sure if that's the case here, but it was a spectacular experience.
Underneath the sun, we're ready to explore. Waves are dancing, skies ablaze, chasing dreams on this wild open wave. Feel the rush like a shot of adrenaline. Freedom calls, let the adventure begin. We're breaking free, racing through the blue. With the wind in our face, we're living for the view. Chasing sunsets, leaving worries far away. On the water, we'll escape the everyday. Sunlight glimmers, colors paint the sea. Every splash a heartbeat, just you and me. This is our moment, let's make it stay. Feel the round, like a shot of adrenaline. Freedom calls, let the adventure begin. We're breaking free, racing through the blue. With the wind in our face, we're living for the view. Chasing sunsets, leaving worries far away. On the way, on the water, we'll escape the everyday. Sunlight glimmers, colors paint the sea. Every splash.
So here we are at Humpback, having some snackies. We've had some fun out on the jet skis. A whale decided it was going to wet us, which was exciting and a little bit scary, but still a lot of fun. So yeah, so far so good.
This is our moment, let's make it stay. Feel the thrill as we leave our wake behind. The sun is shining, for adventure we are primed. We're breaking free, racing through the blue. With the wind in our face, we're living for the view. Chasing sunsets, leaving worries far away. On the water, we'll escape the everyday. On the water, we'll escape the everyday. So let's ride on into the sunset's glow. With the world behind us, it's just you and me, let's go.
So I hope you enjoyed today's video. We absolutely loved making it. And wasn't that footage of the whale breaching just incredible? A little bit intimidating, but 100% escaping the everyday. Now stay tuned to our channel. We've got a lot more videos to come. I'm a little bit behind. I still need to do some dog sledding in San Francisco videos from last year. And we've got another big holiday planned next year. UK, Scotland, Europe through the Baltics, river cruise on the Rhine, so that's bound to be a good one. In the meantime, between now and then, we plan to get out on the skis, capture as much footage and share it with you guys. See you next time.